Just throwing in, if you care watching, I try to clean the injectors. I think it's a good idea to try cleaning them at some point. I'm not saying this really works, but it's just kind of may help a little bit, improving a bit MPG acceleration. This is what I use. A hose, I had to use a clamp. I really recommend you use Google's and the face mask. The reason for this is that the pressure from that tiny bottle, I use carburetor cleaner. Use only these things, these types of carburetor cleaners. Do not use anything like lacquer thinner or stuff like this. No solvents, nothing. This is how I put the thing together. Use clamps to make sure you keep the pressure. It doesn't appear, but there is a really nice pressure in there. And my hose, I didn't put that screw on it, and it blew into my face, and I bred that solvent, so it's not fun. Then I would recommend try, most of the times I would really prefer back washing it, back spraying into the injector. This is the end of the injector. I didn't remove the basket, by the way, and this cleans the basket as well. A downside with this, so right now the tube is connected to the exit where the spray is actually into the car side. I do recommend you clean everything and you use a hose that's really nice and clean inside, because when you clean it backwards, you may just force debris inside through the nozzle of the injector. Even though it has very tiny holes in it, it may force debris inside, so you don't want it. But anyhow, and this is just normal flushing, forward flushing, but I really prefer backwards. I don't know why, it kind of feels doing better. This is really, if you want to try, I'm not saying the results are great and stuff like this, but it's just a fun thing to do.